Hi folks, my complete name is Zulian. I'm 27 years old and I was born and live in Araras, São Paulo. My birthday is on September 10th. I have 3 brothers. Their names are Marcelo, Mauricio and Márcio. Márcio and I are twins. For this reason, my nickname is Xerox. I live with my parents, Sérgio and Cleomar, in the José Claudinei Quilin Street, number 195, on Santa Martina. But soon I will get married. My fiancée Vivi and I are for 4 years together. When I met her, she already had a daughter. Her name is Evelyn. We get along very well. I'm graduated as a mechanical designer technology by the FATEC of Mojimirim, São Paulo. Later, I completed my degree as mechanical engineer by Universidade Paulista of Limeira, São Paulo. I can make structural calculation. Next year, I want to do specialization. I work in the area as a mechanical designer at New Tulin here in Araras, and I like it. I'm helpful, punctual, dedicated and attentive at work. I'm working for 10 years in the same company, where I grew up and acquired a lot of experience in projects about special devices. My wish is to one day work with mechanical engineering at a large company and perhaps teach in the mechanical area. I am studying and dedicating myself every day. I love sports in general, but soccer is what draws my attention. I love doing mathematics, but I don't like history. I don't play any instrument, but I have a great admiration for those who play the drums. One day I will try to play it. I like listening music, watching movies and series. My favorite is Prison Break. My days are very controlled. Basically, I wake up early, about 6 o'clock, have breakfast and I go to work. After 5 p.m., I have free time to devote myself to English studies and calculations. Well, that's a little about me. If you want to know me better, please contact me via email, Facebook or by WhatsApp. See ya!